Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are at CVS, y'all, and we are about to get into another week of deals. So not much is going on at CVS. This is definitely a personal care week. So this is a lot of good deals on personal care, but it is one of those deals where you can wait till next week because a lot of these deals are going to be repeating on next week, and I'll talk to you about that in just a little bit, so you can kind of make your decision on whether you want to go grab these deals now or later. But I still want you guys to know about them, of course. So the first deal that we're going to do is a hair care deal. So this deal is going to be stacking the L'Oreal Elvive and the Garnier Fructis to come up with some nice cheap shampoo, and this is going to be one of those deals that you can wait to do next week. So the L'Oreal Elvive this week is 2 for $8, and then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $3 extra care buck. We have a $3 off 2 manufacturer coupon from last Sunday's inserts, and then we also have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I think there might also be a 3 off of 2 printable as well. So many different ways to get this coupon. Everybody should be able to get their hands on one. So you're going to pay 2 for $8. You're going to use this 3 off of 2 coupon. That is going to bring it down to 2 for $5, and then you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck, making them only $1 each. However, we are going to stack this with a CRT that's going to bring it down even cheaper than $1. Okay, so the next deal we are going to do is the Garnier Fructis. This is what we're going to stack with our L'Oreal. So I want you guys to watch these tags, because these tags can get you sometimes. I was almost about to pick up this anti-freeze serum because it looks like a really good deal. It's normally $6.59 and then 2 for $7. But y'all, this tag is in the wrong spot. You can tell it's in the wrong spot because this product is 5.1 ounces. But if you can look at the tag closely, you'll see that it says 3.4 ounces for this product. So it's definitely in the wrong spot, and this is something that someone will pick up and then not get their extra care buck. So we want to watch those tags closely. So to be on the safe side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These are 2 for $7. I'm going to use our 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that we got in last week's paper. So that is going to be your $4.19 retail me not. So we're going to get $3 off, bringing that down to 2 for $4, and then get $2 back, making those $1 a piece as well. But of course, we're going to get them even cheaper after our CRT. So here is our complete hair care deal. We're grabbing all 4 of these shampoos for $15. We're going to use a total of $6 in manufacturer coupons. That's going to bring it down to $9. Then we're going to throw in a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT. That's going to bring it down to $6. But we're going to get back $5 total for this deal, $3 for the L'Oreal, and then another $2 for the Garnier Fructis, making these only 25 cents each, which is awesome. As you guys know, there's a glitch that often happens with the L'Oreal Elvive, where if you have the digital coupon and a paper coupon, both will apply because they are off of 2. If that happens, these will be a nice little money maker, but we can't depend on that. That's just a glitch that happens sometimes. Now, the reason I said that you may want to wait until next week for this deal is because next week the L'Oreal Elvive will actually be buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck instead of a $3 extra care buck. So you'll have an additional $1 in savings there. The L'Oreal and the Garnier Fructis will also have a $10 CVS coupon attached to them when you spend $30. So they'll also have a CVS coupon that will be printing in next week's ad so that you can get a total of $10 off of shampoo. So L'Oreal, Garnier Fructis, a lot of these products will be included. So that is something to keep in mind, whether or not you decide to do this deal now or do it later. So now let's get into a nice little money maker on the Maybelline cosmetics. These are buy 2, and then you're going to get back a $6 extra care buck, and you can get any of the Maybelline cosmetics. So the cheapest products that we want to grab down here are the eyeshadows for $4.49. So you can grab 2 of these. That's going to be $8.98. Everybody should be getting a $5 off Maybelline Cosmetics CRT that is printing at the red box. So we're going to use this $5 $5 off CRT. No manufacturer coupons applied to this product that I know of, but it's still going to be a nice little money maker because we're going to buy two and we're going to use this $5 CRT. That's going to leave us paying $3.98 and then getting back $6. So we are going to make $2.02 for grabbing two of these eyeshadows, and who does not like free money? Now we're going to grab some of this Sure deodorant. This is a nice free deal that anyone can do. Super easy, no coupons required. You want to buy one for $2, pay the $2 at the register, but then you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, making it what? Free 99. So now let's talk about these Skintimate razors. I'm not going to do this deal because I don't need any more razors right now if they're not free or a moneymaker. But these are $5.99 and we have $3 coupons that came out in today's Smart Source. We also have printable coupons on coupons.com and we have a digital. So once again, there's so many different ways that you can get these coupons. But if you buy three of these for $5.99, use three of those coupons, you are going to end up paying $8.97, I believe, and then getting back a $5 extra care buck, making these like $1 and some change a piece. If you have a shaving CRT, you can bring it down even lower than that and usually catch these anywhere from 30 to 50 cents. That is a great deal if you need these. The next deal we're going to do is on the Colgate mouth rinse. So this is a really good deal if you want to stock up on mouthwash. So these are $3.99, and then when you buy one, you are going to get back a $2 extra care buck. So that's like getting it for $1.99. But we do have dollar off coupons. I think we have them in today's Smart Source. We have printable options, as you can see here, and we also have digitals. So we're gonna buy one for $3.99, get a $2 extra care buck, use this coupon, leaving us paying only 99 cents. But I also have a $1 off of 6 mouthwash CRT that I'm gonna add into this deal, making it a little bit sweeter. So I'm gonna end up paying $4.98, but then I'm going to get back $4 for both bottles, making them only 50 cents each, which is a great deal. Another mouthwash deal that we're going to do today is on the Listerine. So I'm going to grab 2 bottles of Listerine today, one big one and one little one, because they are on a spend $10, get back $5 extra care buck promo. So we're going to stack this promo along with a rebate, a cashback rebate that is available on the Listerine website, where if you buy a 1 liter bottle of Listerine, they're going to give you back a $5 Visa card. So I'm going to buy one of these 1 liter bottles of Cool Mint for $7.29, and I'm going to use a $1 off manufacturer coupon on that. And then I'm also going to buy one of these little baby bottles for $4.49. This is a 8.5 ounce bottle, and I'm not going to use a coupon on that. Okay, so here's my complete little Listerine deal. So I have one of the 1 liter bottles at $7.29 and then a smaller bottle at $4.49. That is going to bring my total up to $11.78. I should still be able to use my 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT because of the 98% rule. That should be right at around 98%. Then I'm going to use this $1 off coupon from last week's inserts, and I'm also going to get back $5 and a Visa gift card. So I'm going to pay $8.78 after my coupons today for both of these bottles, but I'm going to get back $5 in extra care bucks and $5 on a Visa gift card, making both of these free plus $1.22 moneymaker. So since we're doing a couple moneymaker deals this week, let me show you what I plan on spending the money that I am going to make on. So the Olay body wash is on sale 2 for $12 this week, and it even includes this really expensive body wash that is normally $10.79 a bottle. I think I might take advantage of trying that this week. You can get any of the varieties that are included on this deal though. So I have a 3 off of 2 Olay body wash CRT that I'm going to use on this deal, bringing them down to 2 for $9. I also have a $1 off digital coupon, which will bring it down to 2 for $8. And in today's P&G, we got $1 off coupons. So if you want to add that into the mix, that'll bring it down to 2 for $7. And we're also going to use a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, which will make these babies 2 for $5. So we're going to grab them for $2.50 each, all the way down down from $10.79 a bottle. That is an awesome deal, you guys. So if you are a fan of Olay body wash, this may be your week to grab some. I'm gonna grab, I think, 2 of these higher end bottles, and I'm gonna do this deal all digital because I do not have my paper coupons yet. So I will be paying about $3 a bottle, which is still not bad considering that we're making money from our Listerine and our Maybelline this week. Another deal I need to grab this week for my husband is the Claritin. So these are on sale for $5.99 this week. This is the 4-count chewable tablets. They are $5.99. The cool mint flavor is what you want to pick up. We have a $3 off digital coupon, making them only $2.99. So a great little grab if you have allergies. All right, you guys. So this is my complete little shopping haul for today. Like I said, we are stocking up on these personal care items. This is definitely a strong personal care week. So let me talk about how I am going to check out with these items, because I am not going to do one big transaction. I'm actually going to be strategic this week, and I'm going to do 2 smaller transactions to reduce my out of pocket and to also keep it clean and simple for my Listerine rebate, because I will be submitting that receipt to get that $5 Visa card back. So in transaction number 1, I'm going to ring out everything with the exception of the Olay and the Listerine products. So I'll do my Colgate, my shampoo, the makeup items, and the deodorant and the Claritin. That will all be in transaction number 1. Let me show you what I'm going to use as far as coupons in that transaction. For the Colgate, I'm going to use that $1 off of 6 CRT for the mouthwash, plus those 2 $1 printables. I have my Maybelline $5 CRT there. There are my coupons for the shampoo. We're also going to use that 3 off of 15 shampoo CRT. And I have that $3 digital for the Claritin. And I'm coming into this week with $11 in extra care bucks that we earned from our shopping last week, and a $3 beauty buck that we earned on last week. So that's a total of $14 in extra care bucks that I'm going to use on transaction number 1. And then on transaction number 2, like I said, we're just going to grab that Olay body wash. That's going to cost me $6. It'll cost you $5 if you have your P&G coupon. And then we're going to get the Listerine, that is $8.98, but we're going to get back that $5 Visa card. So let's go check out and see how this all works.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. I couldn't have asked for it to go any better for all these expensive items that we got. So let's take a look at my receipt. So here is everything that we picked up today. And here are all of the coupons that we used, just like we planned in our first transaction. And y'all, that $3 off of 2 L'Oreal digital coupon did come off. So that shampoo turned out to be a nice little, it should have been a $2 to $3 money maker. So that is awesome. Our Claritin digital came off. Our $5 came off for the Maybelline. Our 3 off of 15 Haircare. Our $1 off of 6 for the mouthwash. And then we used the $14 in extra care bucks. That left me paying $2.96, and I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card. Yes, y'all, $2.96. And then I showed you guys in the clip previously what we got back, but we got back $4 for the Colgate. We got back $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive and and we got back the $2 for the Sure deodorant, and we got back another $2 extra care buck. Hold on, is this one for the Sure? Oh no, that's for the Garnier Fructis. We got back the other $2 extra care buck for the Sure deodorant, and we got back the $6 extra care buck as well, and that was for the Maybelline. So I took that $8 in extra care bucks for the Maybelline and the Sure deodorant, and I rolled that onto my second transaction, which I used to get the Listerine and the Olay transaction. And this one, we just got the Olay body wash and we got the Listerine. These are the coupons that we used. We had our $1 off of 1 for the Listerine, our $1 off of 1 digital for the Olay, our 3 off of 2 Olay body wash CRT, plus our 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, plus our 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT. Then I took $8 in extra care bucks from transaction number 1, and that left me paying $6.78 in transaction number 2. Now, as you guys saw, I do have a lot more extra care bucks that I could have used in this transaction to make it free, but I did not want to spend up all of my extra care bucks because I am going to get back $5 in a Visa gift card. After I get back that $5, that'll actually make this transaction only $1.78. So I went ahead and just spent $8 so that I could have extra care bucks for next week. So I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card, and then I got back my $5 for the Listerine. So now I have a total of $14 going into next week. I may also hit beauty because I got the Olay and the Garnier Fructis and that L'Oreal, bringing me up another $3. If I get that, this will be just about a free transaction after the beauty buck and the $5 Visa gift card. Also remember to scan these receipts into all of your rebate apps like your Fetch and your Ebates to see what additional savings you can get. So I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to check below for a written breakdown of all of these deals in the Google document. Hit that thumbs up button if this video was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I will talk to you all soon. Bye now.